Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to discuss with you how to check watch history on X. So actually X does not have a dedicated watch history feature for your videos and basically all of your posts. However, you can request and download your full X data, which will contain all of your history on X. So entire history, including your posts, your videos, your DMs, your following list. So basically everything will be included in that file. So let me show you how you can request and download it. You have to tap your profile picture in the top left, and now in the side menu you have to scroll down to settings and privacy. Now in your settings, go to your account section and select option download and archive of your data. So now you want to verify your X password, so enter it here in this field, and after it you want to press button request archive. X will prepare a large file for you and you will receive an email or in-app notification when the archive will be ready to download, and you must download that zip file and finally review your watch history on X. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.